प्रधानमंत्री जी इजराइल जाते हैं और उसके एकदम बाद डिफेंस का रिश्ता है वो पूरा पूरा अदानी जी के हाथ में चला गया।
10 साल नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अदानी और अंबानी का नाम नहीं लिया।
अदानी जी के लिए, अंबानी जी के लिए वो जो भी चाहते हैं 2 मिनट में मोदी जी कर देते हैं।
अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी।
So you see, for the last 10 years, the entire opposition along with Rahul Gandhi has been singing the same tune. Adani, 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 Adani bought this port, Adani bought that, Modi ji sold the country to Adani. It is as if they started a narrative war specifically targeting Indian industrialists. But today, the drones made by the same Adani company are wreaking havoc in Pakistan. Yes, you've heard it right. The Harper drone, which the Indian Armed Forces unleashed on Pakistan, targeting several of their cities and destroying one of their air defense systems, is manufactured in India by Adani Defense in collaboration with Israel. Look at this tweet from the chairman of Adani Group, Gautam Adani. He wrote on X that only in such times the world realizes the real strength of India. All Indians stand in unwavering solidarity with the armed forces. His words came in the shadow of escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. Adani Group's critical infrastructure are located near volatile border regions where Pakistan is launching drones and missile attacks. You can see through this map how many companies of the Adani Group are located very close to the India-Pakistan border. If any of these is attacked, you can imagine how much it will hurt the finances of the Adani Group. But still, Gautam Adani stands as a pillar of strength, backing the nation's armed forces with unwavering resolve. Similarly, another Indian major industrialist, Mukesh Ambani, has also backed the government, supporting India's action against Pakistan. Contrary to this, a lobby in India which continuously criticizes Adani is engaged in weakening the country in times of war, shouting de-escalation, de-escalation with no interest at stake. Yes, if they have any interest in Pakistan, then that is a different matter.